How to delete retention lock enabled save sets from NetWorker. In the NetWorker Management Console in Media and Disk volumes, we can see the save sets which are on a particular volume. In order to expire the save set, we can change expiration for one particular save set and choose to expire it now. Expire the selected save sets now. In this case, we get an error saying save set is data domain retention locked, cannot change expiration time. This means that the save set was part of a retention-locked M tree on the data domain and cannot therefore be expired because the date has not yet been reached at which that retention lock is no longer valid. We can see that date in the media database here for our governance retention lock. It's the 26th of June, and we can see that's the DDRL time in the NetWorker media database, which means the retention lock time. The mtree list command on the data domain shows us the status of the retention locks for the data domain. Here we can see that it's retention lock governance enabled for our data called 1 July mtree. In order to revert the data which is in that mtree, we use the mtree retention lock revert and then the mtree name command on the data domain. And this will revert the retention lock on the save sets which are in that M tree right now. It will not change the retention lock status for the M tree, but it will revert the retention lock of the save sets which are in that M tree right now. Having run that command, this reverts the save set retention lock for the save set that we were looking for. Using mtree retention lock show min retention period on the data domain, we can see what the min retention period for this mtree is. Here we can see it's 720 minutes. This will define the minimum time in the future that we can set the retention lock to after it has been reverted. Using the nsrmm-U command, we can set this to 13 hours because the minimum time we can set it to, as defined on the data domain, is 12 hours or 720 minutes. We can now use the nsrmm-U to set that in the future 13 hours in the future. So that the retention lock for this save set is now 13 hours from when we run that command. And it is no longer, as we see above, what it was previously, which was the 26th of June. Now it's the 20th of June. So any time after the 20th of June, this save set instance can be deleted from NetWorker. Here we see the new retention lock time in NetWorker set to the 20th of June at 11:03 p.m. After that time, so after the 20th of June, we can now go back into the NetWorker Management Console and we're allowed to expire the selected save set now by expire save set now and OK. So this will change the CL retent value. So the retention value in the NetWorker media database will be changed to right now. Once the CL retent date in NetWorker is passed, then NetWorker will expire these save sets using its normal expiration procedures. In this way, we can delete a retention locked save set from NetWorker.